Our appetite for meat is undeniable. From juicy burgers to crispy chicken, meat is a staple in many cultures. However, this demand for meat comes at a steep price. Raising livestock for meat production is a major contributor to greenhouse gas emissions, particularly methane. These gases trap heat in the atmosphere, accelerating climate change. Furthermore, meat production requires vast amounts of land, water, and energy. Forests are cleared to create pastures, while immense quantities of water are needed for animal feed and drinking. The environmental impact of our meat consumption is significant and unsustainable. Finding alternative protein sources is no longer a choice but a necessity for the health of our planet. In recent years, a new generation of food companies has emerged, offering plant-based alternatives to traditional meat. Beyond Meat and Impossible Foods are two prominent players in this burgeoning market. Their products, ranging from burgers to sausages, are designed to mimic the taste and texture of meat. These companies have gained significant traction, attracting both vegetarians and meat eaters looking for more sustainable options. Their success lies in their ability to closely replicate the sensory experience of eating meat. From the sizzle on the grill to the juicy texture, plant-based meats are closing the gap on their animal-derived counterparts. Creating plant-based meat that convincingly mimics the real thing is a complex endeavor. It involves a deep understanding of the science behind flavor, texture, and aroma. Plant-based meats are typically made from proteins extracted from sources like soy, peas, or wheat gluten. These proteins are then combined with other ingredients like fats, starches, and flavor compounds. Heat, pressure, and other processing techniques are used to create the desired texture, whether it's the fibrous pull of chicken or the crumble of ground beef. The goal is to recreate the sensory experience of eating meat, triggering the same taste receptors and satisfying our cravings. Cultured meat. The future on a plate. While plant-based meats are rapidly evolving, another alternative protein source is emerging. Cultured meat. Also known as lab-grown meat, cultured meat is produced by cultivating animal cells in a lab setting. This process eliminates the need to raise and slaughter animals. Cultured meat is still in its early stages of development, but it holds immense potential. It offers the same nutritional profile as conventional meat without the environmental impact. While challenges remain in terms of scaling up production and reducing costs, cultured meat could revolutionize the way we consume protein in the future. Challenges and opportunities on the path to plant-based. Despite the progress made in plant-based and cultured meat alternatives, challenges remain. One major hurdle is cost. Plant-based meats are often more expensive than their conventional counterparts, making them less accessible to some consumers. Additionally, some consumers may find the taste and texture of plant-based meats to be not quite identical to traditional meat. However, as technology advances and production scales up, the cost of plant-based meats is expected to decrease. Furthermore, ongoing research and development are constantly improving the taste and texture of these products. The future of plant-based meat is promising, with continued innovation and growing consumer demand driving the industry forward. A healthier plate, a healthier planet. The shift towards plant-based diets is not only beneficial for the environment, but also for our health. Plant-based diets are typically lower in saturated fat and cholesterol, reducing the risk of heart disease, stroke, and certain types of cancer. They are also rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, promoting overall health and well-being. By embracing plant-based alternatives, we can reduce our environmental footprint while improving our health. The future of food is about finding sustainable and nutritious ways to nourish ourselves and protect our planet. As we move forward, plant-based and cultured meat alternatives offer a promising path towards a healthier and more sustainable food system for all. So, could plants replace meat? The answer might just be yes, and sooner than you think. Plant-based innovations are not only replicating the taste and texture of meat, but also offering a more sustainable and healthier alternative. As technology advances and consumer awareness grows, the shift towards plant-based diets could become a significant trend in the food industry. Imagine a world where our meals are both delicious and eco-friendly, where we can enjoy the flavors we love without compromising the health of our planet. Thanks for joining us on Future Vibe. What do you think? Would you go full plant-based if it tasted just like meat? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more looks into the future.